Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the music on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Because of 100,000 subscribers, we are going to show you for YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, actually this next one, and new, if you want to disable the music, click to the two line at the upper bar of the screen and go to the second option, the settings. New, go to the game section and you can find the right side of the screen the music and sound button. New, if you want to turn off the music, click to the second option, and if you want to turn on again, just click that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.